Hi, I'm Chris Boer, Eastern Regional Sales Manager at ACP. Today I want to talk about a few of our microwave and high-speed ovens and how to specify them for your customer. We have this information pamphlet available on our website or in paper form that shows its uses per day. Using this information, you can find out which microwave oven would be best for your customer. All of our ovens are made in the United States here in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. When opening an oven door, you can find our ComServe number, which is our service information. You can find the model information and the serial number. All this information is important when a user has information about their warranty, service issues, anything like that. They can call the number, and our service team is located just footsteps outside of our factory door. First off, I'm going to walk through some available options of our microwave ovens. We're going to start off today with our RMS. This is our entry-level model. It's 1,000 watts, available in dial or touch. With this microwave, it's a bottom energy fed microwave. 1,000 watt, this is suitable 50 or less uses a day, perfect for a break room, nurse's station, or hotel lobby. As we move up, this is our RCS model. This is top energy fed and perfect for anywhere from 50 to 150 uses a day. It has a more heavy duty handle. When you open this microwave, you can see there's a larger footprint. It will fit up to a 16-inch platter. Our next model we have is our HTC, Heavy Duty Compact. This microwave is top and bottom energy fed, so there's a lot more power involved. This is perfect to be above or below a line in a restaurant. It can be used 150 plus uses a day with no issue at all. It has a heavier duty handle, made to be open, closed, slammed all day long. With all these models, these are our 1,000 watt versions. We have other versions available with more power, and we have several models in between that we can help you specify for your users' needs. If you have questions about these models or anything in between, feel free to contact myself or your local. Next today, we're going to be talking about our specialty line. So we have two ovens. We have our queuing oven, or on-queue, and our AMSO, which is our steamer oven. So this is an amazing oven. It's offered in two versions, a 2200 and a 3500 watt. This is important when you're looking at power of your end user. So they use a 20 amp and 30 amp power supply. So we're going to be talking about the 35 and using the 3500 watt today. So when we talk about a traditional steamer, things we hate about it is the deliming, descaling, and maintenance on it. This is never done properly in a restaurant or hiring people to do it. With our version, there's no deliming, descaling, which means you don't have a water line and we don't need a hood. As are all of our models, we all have ventless capabilities. So when using this steamer, it's easy to program. You can put your products inside. It fits two full-size 4-inch hotel pans. When using this oven, you want to use the amber high-temp plastic hotel pans. Our on-queue is 2400 watts of pure power. The ergonomic handle allows you to push it closed, touch a button, and then it'll pop open whenever you're finished. Our AMSO steamer is perfect for vegetables. You can do 1 pound of vegetables in 1 minute with this application. You're going to put your product, raw product, no water is needed, into the oven for the desired amount of time. So when we remove our products from the oven, you'll notice I don't need a side towel and I don't have to worry about steam burns. So if you notice, the color, texture is a superior product than a traditional steamer. Here's a side-by-side comparison of broccoli prepared with the AMSO steamer versus a traditional steamer. The first thing you notice is the color. The AMSO steamer leaves your broccoli with a bright, vibrant color while still being cooked through, while a traditional steamer browns or grays out the product. The next thing you'll notice is the yield. This is the same amount of broccoli in both pans, and you can tell the loss of yield in a traditional steamer versus the yield that you get when using the AMSO steamer. The next thing we're going to talk about is the florets. If you notice the florets, of the broccoli prepared in the AMSO steamer, they're still all intact while the stock is cooked through. While using a traditional steamer, the florets start to disintegrate by the time the stock is cooked through. Don't forget, this is 1 minute of cooking time to create a superior product to the 5 to 7 minutes cook time in the traditional steamer. While our steamers are a perfect application for K-12 programs and corporate healthcare, they're also a great application for seafood restaurants. In as little as 45 seconds, you can cook shrimp from raw. Also, in 90 seconds, you can do up to 4 lobster tails. I have here some shrimp, and if you notice, we have a rack in here. While not needed, if you'd like, you can add a quart bouillon or a flavorful liquid to steam your shrimp with. While these shrimp are raw, you can also do these from frozen in as little as 1 minute. Another great application for the AMSO steamer is dumplings or pasta. So this is an easy application where you'll take your amber pans, add your liquid, and this can be water, stock, or whatever you want. Today we're adding frozen dumplings, but you can also do fresh pasta with different shapes, ravioli, anything up you like. You're going to put your lid on, and these will take about 5 minutes. Scrambled eggs are another easy recipe to prepare in the AMSO steamer. A dozen of eggs takes only 2 minutes, stirring once halfway through. When cooking grains with the AMSO steamer, you don't necessarily save a whole bunch of time, but you save the pain of having to stir your product, have to worry about scorching a pan, or washing the pans when you're done. For rice, you're just going to add 3 pounds of rice to 3 quarts of liquid. Notice when we remove the rice from the oven, once again, I don't need a towel to hold it. We don't have to worry about steam burn, so it's much more safe than a traditional steamer. We're just going to take a spatula and fluff our rice, and it's ready to serve. A lot of chefs don't trust their hourly employees with cooking expensive proteins like lobster tails. With the AMSO steamer, you can add 2 lobster tails, a bit of liquid, and our steaming rack. Put a lid, and in 1 minute, you're going to have perfectly cooked lobster tails. To program your microwave with manual stage cooking is super simple. All you're going to do is hit the program button, followed by which item you want to program. We're going to hit the time button, set it for your desired time, then click the staging button to switch to a second stage. Under this one, we're going to set the time, and we're going to reduce the microwave to 30%. Clicking the program button again saves this progress. Next, we're going to walk you through our line of high-speed ovens. We begin today with our jet oven. The jet oven consists of convection and microwave assist heating technologies. This is a great and budget-friendly oven for somebody who just wants to get their foot in the door with a high-speed oven. This is great for coffee shops, local bakeries, or anybody who's just getting into high-speed ovens. The next oven we're going to cover is our MRX. The MRX consists of 3 cooking technologies. It has the convection, the microwave assist, but then it includes impingement air, which is hot air that shoots down from the top to brown different foods. The MRX also has a smaller footprint, more narrow to fit. You can fit 2 side by side. We also have 3 different wraps available. We have it in the stainless steel, black, and red. Our final model in the lineup of our high-speed ovens is the MXP. The MXP is similar to the other ovens, having the convection, microwave assist, and the impingement air, but it also includes an IR element located on the bottom. This is going to retain heat throughout the cooking process and help with browning for items like pizzas and flatbreads. Next, we're going to talk about some features that separate us from some of the competition. You'll notice when I open the door, our door drops a little bit lower than some of the competition. When reaching in and out of the oven with a peel, this prevents burns on your hand and knuckles. Another feature you'll notice is the silicone tear-away liners. These are replaceable. You can peel and stick them every 6 months to a year depending on usage. This makes cleanup so much easier. You can just wipe it out. The third feature is that there is no gasket on the door. When you have a gasket on the door, it's going to crack, you're going to get food and debris in it, and you're going to have to maintain it and clean it. ACP stands for Accelerated Cooking Products. And here at ACP, we can cook several foods in as little as 60 seconds, including quesadillas, toasted sandwiches, or even a pizza. Using our pizza stone, you can get an excellent crust on a frozen pizza in about 1 minute to 90 seconds.